Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test viral rice paper hacks from Instagram Reels and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, comment, share and please subscribe to our channel. It means a lot. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at @HungerPlans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Our first hack is something I never heard before, that is a rice paper samosa, that too high protein. पहले इसकी filling बनाते हैं. In a pan add oil. Once it's hot, give tadka of jeera, ginger, garlic and saute. Then add onion and saute for a minute. Detailed recipe and video credits are mentioned in the description box below, so do check it out. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder. Mix it and cook it for a minute. Then add crumbled paneer, mix and add boiled potatoes. Mash it in. ये वापस ना last video जैसे हो गया, पहले ही potato mash करके add कर दो. It's more simple. I used a fork here to do so. After mixing, add salt and mix again. Finally, add boiled peas. Mix it in and keep it aside. Now dip a rice paper in water for 20 to 30 seconds. Take it out and place it over a wet platform. Fold it from two sides like so. Place the filling and just fold the rice paper ऐसे almost triangle shape बनाना है. Looks like a patti samosa, थोड़ा सा लंबा वाला. Grease the oven tray with oil. Place the samosas over it. ऊपर से भी ऑयल ब्रश कर दो and bake it for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Looks quite good actually. Let's serve it hot with a mint yogurt. Let's taste it now. Okay, you need to listen to this crunch. It's super satisfying and surprisingly the taste is like a regular samosa only. Just the khastapan of the maida wala cover is replaced by this crunchy rice paper which is baked and has protein, so it's more healthier regular के comparison में. But healthy होके भी it's very very tasty and samosa के cravings भी पूरे हो जाते हैं. It's super simple, takes hardly 20-30 minutes. So do try it out. Next time guest आएंगे तो ये उनको बना के दो, काफी खुश हो जाएंगे. It's definitely a hit. By now you all know I'm obsessed with buldak ramen and उसका आप कोई भी hack भेजोगे, I am going to try it. This is rice paper ramen spirals. पहले तो मैंने ramen को boil कर लिया जैसे normally करते हैं. Now drain out the water and add half the sauce जो sachet में आता है and half of the flakes also given. Mix it well with the ramen. Now take a water dipped rice paper. Place the ramen on one side. Add mozzarella cheese. Also add some spring onion greens over it and just roll it like so. Further इसे हमें रोल करना है ऐसे सेंटर से to make the spiral, जो मुझे पता नहीं क्यों स्नेल लग रहा है. अभी पैन में ऑयल ऐड करना है. Then add the stuffed snails we made. I mean the rice paper spirals. Shallow fry from all the sides. And serve it with a mayo जिसपे मैंने जो बचे हुए फ्लेक्स थे वो ऐड किए हैं. Looks quite unique. ये एक ना थोड़ा एंड से छूट गया, वो मुझे मिनी क्रोज़ो लग रहा है. Looks very appetizing. Let's dig in. Okay, cheese pull नहीं आया इतना, but the ramen pull is satisfying though. It's crunchy from the outside and very soft अंदर से. Sadly not a fan of the taste. ये राइस पेपर है ना, वो पूरा रामेन के टेस्ट को मार रहा है. मतलब it has become very bland. I guess पूरा सॉस डाला होता तो रामेन का टेस्ट ज्यादा डोमिनेंट होता. I was very excited for this one. ऐसा नहीं है कि बुरा है, it's very average. बाकी के आज तक जो रामेन हैक्स ट्राई किए थे they were too good. So ये वाला मुझे काफी underwhelming लगा. Needed something to lift the taste या wow factor चाहिए था. So for me this was busted. Next hack is crispy rice paper roll, which is quite trending on Instagram as the lazy dumpling. In a pan, add oil. To that, add chilies, garlic, ginger and saute for a minute. Then add any veggies of your choice. I added grated carrot, yellow and red bell pepper. Then saute. Then add coriander, grated paneer and soy sauce. Mix it well and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Take it out and keep it aside. Now cut the rice paper in triangle using a scissor, which clearly you can see is not happening. दो अलग अलग textures of rice paper के साथ मैंने try किया, yet it failed. So मैंने अपना ही एक hack सोचा. I just dip the rice paper in water for like few seconds and then I'm going to cut it with a scissor, which actually works. काफी easy होता है इसे cut करने without any mess. Now take the triangle cut out. Place the filling on one side and just roll the rice paper like so. It's actually a lazy dumpling hack. Then grease the air fryer. Apply oil over it with a brush and air fry for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Looks and smells so good. I'm serving it with a spicy mayo. Let's dig in. Wow, this is super crunchy. अंदर का धुआं भी दिख रहा है. It's super hot yet super delicious. Filling is simple and flavorful. Chinese taste है because of the soya sauce. It's actually very similar to Chinese spring roll only. Since it's air fried and मैदा use नहीं हुआ है, so it's very healthy. You can literally have 4-5 of it guilt free. Perfect for शाम वाली कुछ तो चटोरी खाने की भूख. Do give it a try. It was a hit. नेक्स्ट हैक काफी लोगों ने भेजा है, सो हैड टू ट्राई इट. इसमें रेड कैबेज यूज हुआ है, विच आई जस्ट कुडंट फाइंड. हर जगह आउट ऑफ स्टॉक था. शूट भी मैंने 2 दिन डिले किया बट नहीं मिला. सो वील वर्क विद व्हाट वी हैव. दैट इज बेल पेपर्स, कैरेट्स, अनियन एंड स्प्रिंग अनियन. इनको बोल में ऐड करना है. देन आई एडेड सॉल्ट, black pepper powder and chili powder. Looks very colorful, right? Mix it well and keep it aside. Now for the dipping sauce, mix soy sauce, vinegar, chili oil, sesame seeds and honey. After mixing, keep it aside as well. Now add oil in a pan. Brush it अच्छे से from all the sides. Place a water dipped rice paper जो एकदम shrink हो गया immediately oil में add करके. So आगे का process एकदम फटफट करना है. That is, add a good amount of filling over it and cover it with another rice paper जो ऑब्वियसली पानी में डिप किया है. मैंने ऐसे ही रखा काफी टाइम तो कुछ हुआ नहीं. सो एजेस से मैंने ही जॉइन कर लिया. नाउ लेट इट कुक फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड्स अंटिल इट्स क्रिस्पी, विच टुक वे टू लॉन्ग. ये एक साइड से तो अच्छे से क्रिस्पी हो गया बट जो ऊपर वाला साइड हमने ऐड किया था उधर से क्रिस्पी हो ही नहीं रहा है. इसको और मैं थोड़ा टाइम पैन में रखूंगी तो जल जाएगा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इट आउट. यू कैन लिटरली सी हाउ स्लाइमी इट इज. And on the other side, it is very crispy. Anyways, let's cut it. काफी satisfying तो लगा काटते वक्त. Sprinkle some sesame seeds over it. I'm going to serve it with the dipping sauce. Looks very average. Let's taste it. Okay, I'm confused if I like it or not. The dipping sauce is so good. Absolutely a flavor bomb. You get sweet, spicy, tangy and salty all at once. But without the sauce, it's okay-ish. साइड से फिर भी अच्छा सा क्रंच है because it's crispy. But center वाला is not good at all. It falls apart easily. It's slimy and has a very weird texture. Veggies भी ना cook हुए है ना कच्चे है. It's somewhere in the middle which I'm not enjoying. So for me, it's a 50-50. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Also this time comment a banana emoji for a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Jinia Das, Just Me and Tahseen Begum. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at @HungerPlan. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.